What's up, my eaters? We've got this lovely leg, a piece of home-cooked leg of lamb that's been given to us. We're not going to eat it. We're cooking it for a feast that's happening tomorrow. I'm just prepping it so it's nice and tasty by the time we cook it up tomorrow. So I've got some garlic, rosemary, thyme and rosemary, classic herbs, bit of olive oil, lemon, pinch of salt, easy, simple style. And I'm just going to batch it up and put it all over this lamb, make a few incisions and stuff it in into different holes, and the flavor is going to be huge. It's yeah, classic ways. A lot of people do it this way, and that's the way I like to do it. I'm a 90s guy. I was watching Food Network back in the 90s, and Jamie Oliver was big back then, and even back then till now, I cook my lamb the same way. It's just something I can't really change. I love the old Middle Eastern ways of cooking lamb. I've done that once, but I keep coming back to this way of cooking because it's just so tasty, and the flavors are, man, I still haven't found anything that tops it for me, personally. I was a big follower of the Food Network, just quietly, back in the 90s. I never told my mates that, but Food Network was a big part of my life that I kind of really kept to myself. I used to watch with my mum. The food channel was big time for me. You know, it was up there with sports. Yes, believe that. And that's why I don't really watch it for the cooking. But, you know, when they eat after, man, that's why I do this. This is the way I cook my lamb, and it's easy and simple. Anyone can do it. Jamie Oliver style. 90s Jamie Oliver. These days, but yeah, still the same recipe I use today. Set this lamb roast and get it done. So it's been sitting in the fridge overnight. Some of the juices have fallen out. That's where I'm going to put my veg. So just let it rest on this chopping board for now. Put this in. Carrots, top and tail. Okay, I've just got some root veg here. Stuff that'll last to cook. Just kind of get it roughly the same size. And these veggies are going to sit separate from the lamb. This tray of veg will just catch all the juices that will be coming out. So onions, I'm leaving the skins on because it's going to be a long ass cook. These onions, they're just going to fade away if you take the skins off too fast. So I'm leaving the skins on, I'm just halving them. That's it. Going in straight to the oven. Okay, that lamb's on 180 right now, but I heated the oven up on full whack for about half an hour. So I've just turned it down after I put it on the rack. So yeah, 180 for about 4 to 5 hours. And it should be delicious. We'll check it at maybe 3 or 4. All right, after 5 hours slow cooked, lamb's all ready to go. As you can see, my veg here. Look at how beautiful these onions are. They survived the 5-hour cook because these skins were on it. So I've just peeled them. They're ready to eat. This lamb is ready to eat. Let's cut a piece off.
It's kind of shrunk, eh?
Yeah, it's shrunk heaps. But yeah, I don't.
Wow.
Oh man. There it is. It's been resting for about 20 minutes. Look at that. Juice, 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 juice. English. Too bad it's going. So tastes good, nice smells. Bye bye.
Are we gonna make a gravy?
Oh, this is the other thing I did. All the juices from the pan, emptied, drained into a bowl, skimmed off as much fat as I could. I put it in the freezer to solidify that little. There's a little layer that I just can't get to with a spoon. And once it solidifies enough, I'm gonna take it off and make a sauce out of it.
Hey Mom, so you can record me taste testing like our first video.
She might put music in.
I know. Juice.
Oh, look at that garlic. Here's the sauce. I've just made a slurry out of rice flour and heat this up in the pot and I'll chuck it in. And it's not a thick gravy, but it's just a nice sauce that'll go over everything really. And it's good to go. We want to make a big shout out to Silva who stopped us at Pack and Save for a photo. Yeah, Orcs in real life, sorry about that. Yeah, thank you for viewing and supporting our content. So far from the Toffers, thank you for watching. That is us. Thank you to all our viewers, all our eaters. We'll see you next time. Roast lamb.